Okay, go.
You ready?
What?
Yep.
Go get it, Jazz.
Yeah. Oh, I saw you swimming. I didn't see how far you went out.
Good girl. Good girl. Let me see, Jazz. You got the stick? Go again?
Ready? Go get it.
Jazzy's little rat leg.
Come on, Jazz. Jazz wants to eat it. Go get it. Go get it. That's too far.
Oh, just let her see if she'll swim.
That's too far for her.
Just let her go.
I am. She's
Oh, where's the stick,
That's too far,
Jazz?
Jazz? That's too far for her.
Hey, Liz, can you say hi? Liz?
Look at, she's like trying to make another. Go get
Hey,
it,
Mouse. Olivia fell in the water.
Amelia's hanging on to it.
Olivia, you want to come get this stick for Jazzy? She wants it, but she doesn't want to go out that far.
And there's Malzy.
I know. Can you get that stick? Hey, leave that dog alone.